Discover how and which tools can boost your talent recruitment. Join us at the first edition of Demo Day Europe on Thursday, the 15th of April. After 4 successful editions in the Netherlands, this spring the first Demo Day online for the full European market will take place. And one of these tools that will have a breakout at Demo Day is Jobustio. And luckily today I'm speaking with the one of the founding partners from Jobustio, Wiebe Mulder. Hi Wiebe, how are you?
I'm doing fine. Thank you for inviting me.
I'm very glad to meet you because I am very interested in who you are in Jobusio and what Jobusio is. But first of all, maybe introduce yourself for the people who don't know you yet.
Sure. So my name is Wiebe Mulder, and I'm one of the co-founders of Jobustio, and currently I'm CEO of the company. I'm mostly focused on product and campaign optimization within our company.
Yeah, and you founded Jobusio together with other partners. How did that come to be?
So actually, we still have another company which is called Exenso, and we rent out job board software for commercial clients of ours. And we needed a tool to do optimized marketing so that we get more applicants for them. We did this manually at the time with multiple job board partners, and I can tell you that's a lot of work, and it wasn't optimized. So actually, it started because we needed the tool ourselves, and using that tool internally, it really worked very well for us, and thus we decided to make it a separate company. And now a few years later, there's Jobustio as it is right now.
Yeah, we already know the origin story to Jobusio now, but if we have to get into detail, what is Jobusio?
So Jobustio is, as we like to call it, programmatic job marketing tooling and services. And it means that we help employers advertise their vacancies to get the best candidates for the job in the best time and budget to hire. All this with the help of the Jobustio programmatic tooling. So in short, we automatically take your vacancies and advertise these jobs that are in need of extra candidates. We advertise over multiple job boards like Job Rapido and Indeed, and we measure real time the results out of these job boards. With the data that we then collect, we can monitor how your jobs are performing on certain job boards, and we can then optimize our cost per click bidding and channel mix. So this will result in best return on advertising spend and thus more results for your vacancies. And to make this happen, you need a computer program that manages all these multiple settings and changes. That's why we built the tool in the beginning of Jobustio.
Yeah, you will then also be presenting a breakout at Demo Day. Is this what your breakout will be about, or will you go further into detail in specific topics, or?
So we're going to give you an explanation about job boards that work with performance models. So these are the job boards where you only pay for actual results, for example, cost per click. And these are the channels that we leverage with the Jobustio tooling. And then we're going to explain why and how to use these job boards as your foundation in your channel mix and what this does for the vacancies that need to be advertised. Furthermore, we're going to show you how the Jobustio tooling works and what it looks like. You will also see some real world results, which is interesting to see, of course. And also, I don't think we told you yet, we're going to use Demo Day to release our newest version of Jobustio, which we are very proud of. So you will have the scoop.
That's very exciting. Yeah, it's very exciting. I didn't know it yet, so I'm really looking forward to that, to watching your breakout. But of course, I work at Demo Day, but
Mm-hmm.
we're talking here about the full European markets. There are a lot of managers in Europe alone. So, who
Yeah.
is most interested to come to your breakouts? Is it big corporations, small corporations, the startups?
So this breakout would be most interesting for those who have multiple vacancies a month. So probably the bigger companies. Also, we do offer services for smaller companies, but for the bigger companies that would like to know more about this performance advertising with programmatic job marketing would be the main group of people that might be willing to see this breakout session.
And then you've already talked about the scoop we have at DemoDay. You will introduce a new version of your tool, but other than that, or maybe you can go further into that. But why should participants specifically go to your breakout instead of maybe another breakout?
So performance advertising, good question, by the way. Performance advertising optimized with programmatic job advertising tooling is the future. And actually that future is now. So everybody that wants more results out of their advertising budget and is interested in the wonderful world of programmatic job advertising should attend this breakout, in where my colleague Lisette and Jan Willem will explain something quite difficult in a very easy to understand way, and so that you could start with programmatic job marketing the day after, and you should actually. So be amazed and attend the Jobboostio breakout.
Wiebe, I want to thank you once again for this interesting interview, and I look very forward to your breakout. If you have any final thoughts to speak to the viewers at home, I will give you the floor and you can speak to them directly.
So programmatic job advertising is the future. Be aware and go and leverage the tooling that you need to get the best out of your advertising spend.